Hey guys, welcome back to another video. My name is REDZONE Rider, and today we're heading to the red zone of all places. Yeah, I mean, I figured I might as well show you guys the area that I was talking about in my previous video. If you haven't seen it already, link up here. But yeah guys, we're shooting off to the red zone, so let's go. Roll the intro. So, as I mentioned previously guys, the centre of town here used to be part of the red zone. It is now completely open, but all of this used to be red zone and none of these new buildings were here. They're also very short, and that's because we're afraid. We're afraid of another earthquake, so we basically don't build tall anymore. So that's a thing. I think 5 stories is like the max we do, which is so insignificant to the rest of the big cities where you guys are all from, around the rest of the world, but yeah, that's a thing. But yeah, let's for a quick montage now, and I'll roll through the town and see if I can see any remnants of the earthquake left over. So, we're now heading into the suburbs here alongside the Avon River, and pretty much just up here, we're just outside of town. You'll see it change very quickly from housing to not much housing. That's probably the best way to put it. Literally on the other side of the river there is no houses, and that's, yeah, part of the red zone. As you can see, no houses on my right here. They're all gone. There's a few dotted over there. Having a fish. So there are some parts of the red zone that are open to drive through, and there are some that are just fenced off. But yeah, we are now in the red zone. Last time we came through here, someone was having a wedding in here, which I think is genius. But literally, all of these, see all the driveways where the driveways were? There's all houses. All of these streets in here that are blocked off, all houses, and it's now nothing. It's pretty crazy, and it goes on as far as the eye can see. Like when we get in the middle of it and I take that drone up, I will really showcase how big this area is. We're running out of daylight, so we need to get somewhere significant inside the red zone to film it. So see, as you see, then all of a sudden there's just houses again. It's pretty crazy. As you can see, again, all just looks like a big park, but it's all housing and old streets. Now, I still don't really know what the council's plan is for this area. I don't think we can build on it right now. It's not safe to build on, so I think it's just literally a big park for the time being. But yeah, as you see, that guy's come here and he's fruit picking on his bike, and there's a whole street just there open to drive down. We might actually come back and go down that street. That seems like a good idea. Let's do that. Some guys walking their dogs, like, it's just really cool. It's sad, but it's cool. So yeah, we're right in the middle of the red zone right now, guys. It's probably a good place to take up the drone somewhere soon. As you can see, there are a few houses dotted around inside that are still standing. Whether or not they're occupied, though, is a question. It's kind of hard to tell. It's just crazy. Literally one of my friend's houses used to be right on the riverbank over there. Right, let's take the drone up. Alrighty guys, so we're done in the red zone now. I still haven't eaten and it's like 8:30 in the evening, so time to go grab some food. Alright guys, we're heading back through town now, heading back towards home. But yeah guys, that's the Christchurch red zone. As you can see when we got up there off the drone, super vast, goes for ages. So many homes basically have been lost, and as a result our population has declined massively. It's creeping back up to where it was before the earthquake, but I don't even think it's there yet. After 7 years, 8 years now? Jeepers. 2011 guys, 8 years, right? Yeah, it's pretty much the 8-year anniversary on the 22nd of February. So yeah, that's the red zone. That's what the channel was renamed after. So yeah, hope you enjoyed that part of the video. Alrighty guys, I've been Red Zone Rider. If you've enjoyed today's video, feel free to give it a subscribe, smash that notification button so you get notified whenever I release a new video, and we'll see you in the next one. Remember, tutorials, installs, and motovlogs. That's what we're all about here. Cinematic motovlogs. I'm gonna go stuff my face now guys before I get home, but as always, have fun, stay young, and peace.